Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Subaru Forester headlight bulb. First, gather your new H7 bulb and some clean gloves to avoid touching the glass. Always ensure your engine is completely off and cool before you begin any work. For an extra layer of safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Now, let's access the bulb. You'll find the headlight assembly located behind the wheel well liner. Carefully remove the two 10mm bolts that secure the entire assembly in place. Once those bolts are out, gently pull the assembly forward. This creates just enough space for you to comfortably reach the bulb without needing to remove the whole bumper. With access gained, it's time to replace the bulb. First, twist the electrical connector counterclockwise to detach it from the old bulb. Next, carefully unclip the retaining spring that holds the bulb in its housing. Remove the old bulb, then insert your new H7 bulb. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands to prevent premature failure. Now, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb and carefully secure the headlight assembly back into its position. Reattach the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Don't forget to reattach the negative battery terminal. Life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Finally, test your new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.